Hey your Plantigos, I'm Ro and you are watching Your Plantigo. Did you know that Moringa is a powerful plant that grows in every season and extremely beneficial? The most amazing thing is that it can begin growing within just 1 month and in 1 year it can reward you with healthy beautiful drumsticks. But to make this happen, you must first understand how to grow Moringa from drumsticks properly. The very first step is to identify which drumstick seeds are ready for planting. Always select a fresh or properly dried drumsticks because their seeds are strong, healthy, and perfect for fast growth. Now, gently cut the drumsticks from the center and carefully remove the seeds. You will notice that each seed has a thin outer layer on it. You may remove this layer if you like it, but it's totally optional. After that, just collect all the seeds. When all the seeds are removed and ready, dry them in a normal compost. After that, pack them in a plastic sheet, then take them out after 2 to 4 days. Next, we take a pot and fill it with a dry compost. Then we place all the seeds onto the compost. Within just 20 days, you will start seeing amazing result. A healthy and beautiful moringa plant will be fully grown. Thank you for watching Plantigos. Keep growing, keep shining, and I'll see you in the next video.